Chocolate Factory Friends. Hi guys! Today we're going on a special adventure. A great news for everyone who loves sweets. Well, we're going to a chocolate factory. When you open the door, a sweet scent spreads out. First, let me introduce you to my friends from the chocolate factory. My friends at the chocolate factory are very busy. First of all, cacao. It's bitter, but it plays an important role in making chocolate delicious. Next, add milk, a creamy and gentle flavor. And sugar, a cute friend who gives chocolate a sweet smile. Let's make chocolate together. Buzzing the machine moves and the cacao kids mix together as one. You'll hear a gurgling sound, and as they mix, they change shape. Bar of chocolate? Or bear-shaped? That's exciting. Choke-a-chokey with scissors, smooth with plastic wrap once rolled up with cute wrapping paper, the chocolates are lined up. Go to the next room on a conveyor like a slide. Next it's time to check. Looking around, with shiny eyes, is it really delicious? Check it out. That's perfect. Give the OK signal and say peace with a smile. The time has finally come for the chocolates to appear in stores. It's shining brightly under the twinkling lights. The children who came to the store cheered. Give me this. The chocolates that were chosen had super smiles. How was today's adventure? Our friends at the chocolate factory are making delicious chocolate with lots of love. Cacao, milk and sugar have teamed up to create a special treat for us. See, that smile brings happiness to us too. Every time you eat chocolate, think of your friends who work at the factory. And the delicious chocolates you all made together are the best gift to share your happy feelings. See you on the next wonderful adventure. Bye-bye.